Okay, good morning, everybody. Today is Friday. We made it to Friday, June 26, 2026. Welcome to the live trading room. Glad you're all here. Here's yesterday's charts, and we had just this massive, massive sell-off yesterday of about $20. And I had to compress my chart so much vertically just to get it all in. Um, but wow. What a sell-off that was yesterday, all the way down. Um, it just took one trade all the way down. Well, it took two trades on the way down on that, but certainly could have stayed into that one much longer. Should have stayed into that one much longer. Anyway, ended up with three trades yesterday for plus 82. Having a good week, very good week, and we after that we had a nice reversal that came back up that allowed us to get out of that call trade. And then trade three was another put trade down and just some ups and downs. Some tradable moments most of the day, had some sideways movement in the afternoon and then some slow sell-off in the afternoon. But yesterday morning, what a sell-off. That was just huge. Okay, let's get over to Q closed at 7:16:44 and is currently setting at 7:06:04. Not quite a gap play this morning yet. Could still get there. We'll keep an eye on that. Now let's get up to real time. There we go. Um, Looks like price is climbing a bit this morning. Uh, And let's head over to the option chain. Move my monitor up a little bit so I can see what the heck I'm doing. And let's go ahead and get rid of that. Okay, so we are on the 26th. Boy, we're almost at the end of this month. We've got 1.854 million already traded in pre-market volume, and the strikes are way out of balance right now. We will figure out which strike we're going to do once we get all this pre-market volume built into everything. And that's all I have to say right at this moment. So I'm going to hand it over to Keith. Good morning, Keith.
Morning, Tim. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, strange day yesterday. I only had two trades, but up $1.45. So very good day there. Um, this morning we had a few announcements come out pre-market this morning. The goods and trades balance actually missed by quite a bit on the downside. The wholesale inventory numbers came in a bit stronger than anticipated, which is sort of balance that against the trade balance. It makes sense. We'll have the Michigan consumer sentiment and expectation report along with their estimation of 1 year and 5 year inflations come out at 10. So we could see a pop at 10. We'll have one of the Fed members speaking at 10:30, another one speaking at 11:30, and that'll be it today. No bond auctions today. And we'll see where I am trading. I'm either going to trade either the second, the 10th, or the 16th of July. So we'll have to sort of see where prices are and where the spread is between the bid and the ask prices. And I think that's about it on this front.
Okay, well, thank you, sir, for the
Yep.
report. Um, and we got less than 30 seconds, less than 20 seconds now. Make sure your charts are set up with 20 cents between each hash mark. So we're looking at the same size candles every day. Very important that you do that. We have 10 seconds. Let's make it a good Friday. We'll end up this week nicely. Here's four, three, two, one, and there's the bell. Let's let Harry in. Yeah, I tell you what, yesterday morning, we don't see drops like that very often. And if you can lasso one and ride that all the way down, you're looking at some major dollars. That price coming down a little bit. All right. Huh. Broader markets haven't reported yet for some reason. Let's try something here.
Minor reporting.
There
Dow
we
is
go.
down 152, Nasdaq's down 273, and S&P's down 45.
Okay. Actually, mine, there they go. Now they're reporting. Okay, so we've got negative market across the broader indices, at least for now. Yeah, price rising here above VWAP. It's like we're already in a consolidation pattern. Yep, price dropping now out of that consolidation pattern. Keith, I take it you got out of those call trades, call trade.
Actually, Tim, no, I'm just gonna take a loss on it. So just every time I try to get out of it, the last few days, I was trying to shoot too far,
Hmm.
and I closed out part of my contracts last week, but most of it, nope, nope. Live and learn, live and learn.
Yeah,
Biggest thing is I learned don't keep in a trade when you can't be around your computer. When I was traveling last week, I said, "Oh, it's going to turn around and I'll be able to get out of it." Well, never happened.
never happened. Yep.
So I got two contracts left if anybody wants to buy them. Also got some swampland in Florida too.
Right. Wow, got price dropping again this morning. All right, I'm heading over to the 708 on the put side. Getting a little reversal going here. Price continuing to climb, reversing off the bottom here. Climbing pretty steadily here. Up to VWAP. See if I can push through VWAP.
By the way, I put a pseudo supply zone at the top of that first 5 minute candle.
Yeah. Price getting stuck at VWAP a little bit. Got 3,700,000 traded on the underlying. Dow is down 218, Nas down 247, S&P down 45. 5 minute MACD has crossed over to the call bias position. 1 minute's about to cross, but they're going to become, and then they've both come out of the call bias position as price declines again. Price reversing back up. No. See if we're going to hold on to this demand zone here. There we go. We can put a demand zone in. Price bouncing off the demand zone, maybe. Oh, see if it's going to break on through. Come on down. Come on down.
Did you get into a put there, Tim?
No,
Oh, okay.
no, but I was hoping to if it kept going.
Okay.
Big reversal back up. Price heading up to VWAP, breaking through VWAP. Let's see. On the call side, I will be at the 702 on the call side. Breaking through the pseudo supply zone. Trying to. It's backing off a little bit.
I'm just watching the 704 on the call side with July 10th expiration.
Okay.
Obviously not doing anything at the moment.
Yeah, big reversal back down.
Next few days, we may see some of the industrial traders rebalancing as we approach the end of the second quarter next week.
Mm-hmm. That's right.
Hard to believe it's the end of the second quarter, or yeah, end of the
Oh,
second quarter already.
oh, it blows me away. Just the time has gone by so quickly. Just accelerates. Yeah, price coming right back up. Having a hard time getting past this mark here around 706.80. Trying to break through now. Still looking at the 710 on the put side. 710 strike put. Lots of movement inside the zones, but no breakout outside the zones yet. Got just a couple of minutes below 100,000 volume. Most everything's above or at 100,000 volume. As price just swings back and forth here.
You know, with these quick moves, it's tough to trade them.
It is hard to get in them. Price heading back up through VWAP. See if it's going to break out this time. Again, it gets up around that 706.80 mark. Having a hard time getting past that.
It doesn't even get up to the pseudo supply zone.
Mm-mm. Yes, we can move our supply zone down a little bit to a real supply zone right there and right there. One minute MACD just keeps crisscrossing the control line. 5 minute MACD is in the call bias position, heading up. All right, looking at the 702 on the call side still, in case this breaks out, but it's reversing. Might have to scalp one of these. All right, broken through the supply zone. Moving to the 703 on the call side. stand by. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get into this. And it way didn't get in. Passed me right by, which is probably good because it's coming down. Nope, continuing up. So moving over to the 704 on the call side. I'm gonna try to get into the 704. I did.
Came up with the 705 and at 1940. Should have waited like a minute and a half to the pop at the top. I should have waited.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, we're in now.
Yeah, that we are.
That pop in the top scared me, so I got out at 10-cent gain.
No, okay.
Yeah.
I think we've well established I'm a coward.
No, I don't think so.
There's the pop.
Okay. I'm going to go ahead and take some profit here out at 757. And I may get right back into this at the 706.
I just got out at 2044. So 1940 to 2044 for $1.04 gain.
Nice. I chickened out and got out early for 51 cents.
Well, I wouldn't say that's a chicken out thing. That's 51 cents is good.
I'll take
Sure
it.
beats my 10. Well, if I wasn't so scared, I'd have gotten over a dollar too.
Yeah.
Mm, 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 mm.
Getting a little bit of sell-off going here. Let's see here. Got to reset my option chain. All right. I'll be at the 714 on the put side. This should start falling precipitously. Or we're just going to go into consolidation at this point. Yep, breaking out from here, continuing to rise. I head back over to the call side, to the 708 on the call side.
At 1 minute, MACD's up to 2.5.
Yeah, it's a little high.
Little on the high side.
Indeed.
What is that means, Tim?
It just means that we're getting near the end of this swing high. So to be very careful about another call trade. We don't often see the MACD rise that high. The is an extreme case.
We always like probability on our side, and when it gets that high, it lowers the probability quite a bit. Not that it can't go higher, but history says no.
Hmm. So price is rising, it's just rising slower. Well, it's going to get to a point where they run out of traders willing to pay more, and this will reverse. And price beginning to come down. 1 minute MACD is crossing to the put bias position slowly. So on the put side, I'll be at the 715 on the put side.
The Dow is actually there for a second was positive. There's jumping back between positive and negative.
Mm-hmm.
Everything else is still negative.
Yeah,
But off the lows of the day,
indeed.
What strike are you looking for on the put side, Tim?
Um, Looking at the 715.
Did we set my strikes?
Price rebounding up. Wow. Price still trying to climb here a bit. 1 minute MACD is about to cross back over to the call side. Way up. Price trying to come down. Price just look like it's maybe going into a little bit of consolidation. Just does not want to come down yet.
Trying to make up for the last few days where it just didn't want to go up.
Yeah. No kidding. Right. Looking at the 715 on the put side. Yeah, bouncing back up. All right, we can raise the supply zone up. Wow. Price beginning to sell off a little bit here. Dow is up 66. Nas is just down 21 now. S&P's up 5. So came from way down, way deep in the red. Yeah, price on the rise again. Price coming down now. Five-minute MACD's flattening out a bit. I'm going to move to the 716 on the put side. 716 strike put. All right. Price has been real resistant to a real sell-off here. Nope, and pops right back up. All right, we're a little over an hour in. We've got 11,687,000 traded on the underlying. And Dow is up by 92, Nas is down by 28, S&P is up by 5. Price is slowly declining. Still looking at the 715 on the put side. Stand by. I just entered it.
Got in at 1705.
Okay. I'm in at 495. Come on down. Not that direction. Come on down. Come on. All right, come on down. Come on down. All right. I just took profit, 536. Good.
Let's see if I can get profit here. Just did. In at 1705, out at 1786.
Nice.
I've had two trades up $1.85.
Nice. I just got to stay in these things longer.
Yeah, it's harder to do when you're trading same day expiration though, too, Tim.
Yeah, it is. Anyway, I'm up 91. I won't complain.
Nothing to sneeze at there.
Guys, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. See, price rose. It's coming back down a little bit. Go ahead and move up our supply zone a little bit. Price on the rise. Dow's up 19, Nas is down 52, S&P's down just about 2, 1, 1.5. We got 13,267,000 traded on the underlying. Volume is starting to slow down now. Not going to get the price movement that we were getting.
Tim, I think I'm gonna step away a little early today. Uh,
Okay.
two trades up $1.85. My weekly total is up $8.22 this week.
Nice. Nicely done.
Yeah, yeah, definitely good.
All
So
right.
anyway, I will see you back, everybody here on Monday, and hope you all have a great weekend.
All right, buddy. I will talk to you.
All right, take care, everybody.
All right.
Bye.
Bye-bye. All right, price just going into consolidation here. Price selling off again. Price coming down. Maybe break out of here. Oh, keep an eye on the 6, 7, 4, no, 713 on the put side. Five-minute MACD crossed a while ago. Yeah, it looks like we're still into some consolidation here, so no trades. Get into some relatively low volume now. Price is just not going to move much. Looks like price is just going to stay in consolidation for a while. And it is the top of the hour, so we're going to go ahead and wrap it up for this morning. So two trades up 91 cents. I'll take it. Up nicely for the week. And hope you all had a good week as well. And that's going to do it. Harry and Kathleen, I will see you all on Monday morning. Have a great weekend.
Thank you, Tim.